Y'all already know what beat this is. We'll just do one more instrumental, know what I'm saying? I got to get it. I got to get it. Check it out. Dr. Dre's an instigator to making papers. The way he make his beats, everybody gotta eat it and feel it later. Shit, if you feel what I'm talking about it. Then you in the studio, you got to spit it out your mouth. And when you lay that track, you better lay it raw. Cause when you lay that track, the bitch is going out. If you want a great beat, man, you better eat that bitch like you say, see. It's like everybody come on in and they running and they coming like parks. And everybody wanna play, but nobody know how to bark. Cause they all barking like some little chihuahuas, the ankle biters. Nigga, my Uncle Keto, I'm coming just like a light sniper that's coming hitting you through a window. And nigga wanna fuck you up, I don't even need a benzo. I don't even need a gun to shoot, but I got you simple. Open up my mouth and I'ma do this instrumental. Dr. Dre, the man, he makes you wanna go insane in the brain. And then you spit that shit again. And now you feeling like that cane. You wanna get it in your vein. You wanna put it in your brain. You wanna let it loose and spit it juice like you get it, man. Yo, you wanna get it like the gin and juice loose. You wanna get it, the niggas playing up with you to the goose. Motherfuckers, they always duck us. They motherfucking clusters. Better yet, you call them niggas snitches and Google bust them. It's like the way we get it. Everybody says the life that we live is straight up grimy. But if you look it out, the motherfuckers who is grimy, it's the motherfuckers that's out there who is really shining. Because y'all motherfuckers be your haters. Look at what they doing. Always talk about what they be doing. Man, they really do. But the shit that they be doing, yo, they really true. Trying to get this motherfucking money for their family, dude. I'm just a family dude. I keep the fucking family going hard and make it true. Y'all people want to get the instrumentals, make them do. And at the same time, spit the shit hateful rude. But at the same time, understand my attitude. It's from all these other motherfuckers that be mad at who? Mad at me, mad at you. People don't understand, coming like a bad fool, slinging out the motherfucking park, home run fool. A nigga coming hit that harder than your last sack. A nigga running, throwing hard like a quarterback. Catch that shit in the end zone. Nigga put me on the fucking map and I show you what it could really be. Motherfucking the field, 904 blowing it up hard. Nigga going real on the soul. Shit, you wanna get the nigga real to the flow. Dr. Speed and Dr. Dre, instrumental and let's go. Shit never stop, but bitch, you will show. Get up on the mic and bitch, you be provoked. Cause if I do this shit, you like the motherfucker weed that you be smoking.